If you're a photographer or a retoucher, you've probably come across some beautiful images online and you're like, wow, this image is so beautiful, it's so nice and it's so clean. The big truth is there's a lot that goes into making the pictures you see online look really good. And retouching is just a tiny bit of it, especially if you're photography people or you're a portrait photographer. And the honest truth most professional photographers and retouchers won't tell you is you can't actually make a bad image look good even after you finish retouching the image. Let me explain more. You see those images you see online and you admire a lot? The truth is that most photographers actually spend more time executing and planning the shoot than they spend actually retouching the image. Because if the image actually looks good straight out of camera, the image is going to look even more better after you finish doing your skill retouching or after you finish retouching the image. I have been retouching for a while and I've come across a lot of image. For example, a client will give me an image to retouch and actually send a sample of what they want to achieve for their image. With all due respect, sir, ma, first of all, your image is not sharp. Secondly, the light setup you use is totally different from the sample you sent to me. And also, you can't expect me to make a dark skin tone look light. I'm a retoucher, not a magician, even though it's quite possible. But at the end of the day, it's going to make the image look weird and it's not going to make the image look good at all. And like I said earlier, there's a lot that actually goes into making a photo look good. And retouching is just a tiny part of it. And here's a quick tip if you want to get the best out of an image after retouching your image. Try and shoot raw and also try and make your image sharp straight out of camera. So if you have a blurry image, there's nothing I can actually work with on a blurry image. And number two, if you have a reference image that you want your own image to look like, make sure during the shooting process, your light setup is actually similar to the reference image. In conclusion, give a photo retoucher a good image to work with, and in return, we are going to give you the best results out of your image. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. And if you want to improve your retouching skills, click on this description right here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Still creative.